Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 3 of W3 Schools tutorial series. So let's get started. Open your Google and type W3 Schools Python. Now you will get this page. Click on Python tutorial W3 Schools. And this is the day 3. So in the first day we have seen Python intro. In the second day we have seen Python get started, means Python installation. And today is Python syntax, day 3. Click on Python syntax. In this page, we have Python syntax, how to execute Python, and Python indentation, and Python variables, and comments in Python. And we have some exercises. We will see one by one. First, Python syntax. First, we will see how to execute Python syntax. We can do this in two ways. First, we will see one way. Python syntax can be executed by directly writing in the command line. We will see this one. And next, we have another way. Python file can be written on server and we can save that file with the extension .py and we can run that in the command line. We will see this one also. First, we will see using this. So, we need to open our Python installation on your PC. Yeah, Python 3.9. Yesterday we installed this. So, click on Python 3.9 64-bit. Yeah. What is this means? Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line. So we can execute by writing simply the syntax of Python and we can execute it directly. We will see that how to do. Yeah, this is the Python IDE. Now I am writing one program. Simple program. Hello world. And click on enter. See, we are getting the output. In this way, we can execute directly. Now we will see second way. In the second way, Python file can be written on the server and we can save that with the extension .py and we can run that. I will show you how to do that. First, close all this. New text document. Open new notepad and write something. Print hello world. We have to save this file. Click on file. Click on save as. Now we need to give file name like file1.py with the extension py. Why we have given py means we need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. Now after saving this file, we need to run this program in the command prompt. We will see how to do that. So click on this. Enter cmd to open command prompt. Enter. Now we need to give path. Our notepad on desktop, so I am writing cd space desktop, enter. Now dictionary dir, enter. Now we need to give file name file1.py with extension, enter. See, we are getting the output. I will copy and paste the output. We are getting the same output by executing directly or by executing the programming command prompt. We are getting the same output, no difference. But we have two ways to execute the Python program. That is the meaning of this. I hope everyone clear with this. Now we will see Python indentation. What is Python indentation? In other programming languages, we have curly braces for representing a block of code. But in Python, we have indentation. Indentation means, for example, see, if 5 greater than 2, colon, enter. This is the space beside print statement. So that space is called as indentation space. Means under if the print statement is the block of code, it belongs to if statement. So we are using this indentation space over here. Now coming to indentation spaces, we can have one or more. Now here they have given one. We can give more. And if we skip that or if we forgot to give indentation space, then it will give error. Like for example, if 5 greater than 2, colon, enter. If we didn't give any indentation space beside print, then we will get error. Now the number of spaces is up to programmer because we can have one or more indentation spaces beside the print statement. This is also correct if we give one indentation space, or else if 5 greater than 2 indentation space, we can give more spaces also. This is also fine. Now another rule is, if we have chosen to give one indentation space after if statement before print statement, and after that if we want to write another statement like here print we have no, if we write like this, we need to write this print statement here. We need to follow same indentation spaces to represent a block of code. If we write like this, we will get an error. If you want to give 5 spaces, you can take, but you have to follow 5 spaces for all the lines of code in that block of code. Now coming to Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. Now we will see this example. If x equal to y, x equal to y means this is the variable x and we are assigning a value, and this is the variable y and we are assigning a value. Like this only in Python variables will be created. When we assign value to it only, then only variables will be created. Python has no command for declaring a variable. Now we will see Python variables in another chapter while we discussing Python variables concept over here. We will see. And coming to comments. In Python, we have commenting a line. Like you can see this example. In Python, to comment a line, we need to use hash beside the line. Like this. And we have few exercises. We will see this one also. What we have seen till now is execute Python syntax. We have two ways. Directly in the command line, or we need to save the file and we need to run it in the command line like this. And we have seen Python indentation and what are the rules to follow to give indentation spaces and what is indentation. We have seen that. And Python variables we will see when we are discussing Python variables. And comments. In Python, we need to use hash beside the line to comment a line like this. Now we will see exercises. Insert the missing part of the code below the output hello world. We need to write over here print hello world. Submit answer. Yeah, correct. Now we have done the exercise. Now we will see this one. If 5 greater than 2 colon, this is the indentation space, and print, run. Click on run. See, we are getting the output. Like this we can practice in W3 schools. And we will try this. Click on try it yourself. Now, if 5 greater than 2 colon, enter, no indentation space here. Now we will enter this code. Now click on run to execute. See, we are getting error. Expected an indented block. So, to correct this code, space, click on run. Now we will get the output. Yeah, we got the output. In this way, we need to practice. And scroll down. And we will try this. Click on try it yourself. Now you can see. Click on run to execute the code. Now we are getting the output. For suppose, remove this and run. See, we are getting unexpected indent. So, to correct this code, I will do like this. I have given one indentation space beside the print. Now click on run. Now we got the output. So we need to give one indentation space beside this code. To represent this block of code represents code under if 5 greater than 2. This particular block of code is under if block. For suppose we will try so many like 1, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Now click on run. In this way, we can learn Python as a beginner using W3 schools. And we can also practice. We have exercises down the page as shown previously. Yeah, we are done. That's it for today's video. I hope everyone understands this class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep coding. In the next video, we will see next page, Python comments. We will see this page in the next video.